What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be taking a look at my KDP income report for the month of August. So, welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy, and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. And today's video is brought to you by Simple Cover Creations. This is our free online course teaching you how to make low and no content book covers using Canva, and it's completely free. So if you want to check out this course, click that link down in the description below or go to simplecovercreation.com. So, this video is all about my income report for the month of August. This is also a playlist that I have been putting together since starting KDP, which you can actually check out right there in the right hand corner right now if you want to go and see those other videos. Now, for the month of August, I did $1,271. Now, not all of that is profit because I was running ads, mainly in the US as well. So nearer the end of the video, we'll take my ad spend, deduct it from this, and see how much my profit was. Now, at the time of recording this, you can actually see that I have 3,804 books live. I have been trying to publish 25 books per day in a lot of micro niches, so hopefully that will pay off come Q4. Anyway, this video you can see for the month of August from the 1st to the 31st, I made $1,271. Now, if we look at that and break it down day by day, we can see my best day was just here with $77, and then my lowest day was round about here at only $22. Then nearer the end of August, we can see I had some really slow days. Now, I did start to think that this was a KDP reporting issue, but then the more I thought of it, I think it is just naturally slow sales, which will happen from time to time. I don't know why my voice just went like that. It cracked a little bit. Anyway, let's take a look at this. So let's break this down to units sold each day. If we click on there, if it's going to let me, I really think I need a new laptop or to give it a real good clean because this one's playing up a lot now. So let's change that to units. Click on there. So my best day I sold 41 units. On my lowest day I only sold 14, and then it was a lot of jumping around, but as you can see, still a pretty good month. Anything over $1,000 I still class as a pretty good month. Now if we scroll down to here, we can see my earnings by book, and then if we go a little bit longer or a little bit further, we can see that 75% of my royalties came from Amazon.com, almost 20% here in the UK. Canada is starting to slowly creep up, and I sold 7.2%, and then the other marketplaces as well. So if we scroll down to here, we can see my earnings. So there's the $1,271 that I earned, and I earned that because I sold 739 units of my books. Now, for the month of August, my best seller was actually a composition notebook. Now, I did a video about this the other day, which also I'll try and link right there right now, and it was all about composition notebooks, because with composition notebooks and primary composition notebooks, there's like a gazillion niches out there, which most people don't even realize. So this composition notebook is really niche down. It's in the animal niche. I'm not going to say what animal, but we can see I sold 159 units and made over $300. Now with this, I wasn't running any ads for the month of August, so this is actually all pure profit, just royalties. Then my second best-selling book for the month, I sold 134 units, making $199. This is my best-selling book to date, and we're almost at making $10,000 just from this one book, which is crazy. And this is in the guest book niche. Then my third bestseller was I sold 105, making $155. This is one of my kids' low content books. And if you want to know what type of books this is all in the Kids LCB course, where I teach how to create kids books super simple. But that was my third bestseller. And my fourth was this one. So I sold 78 units, making $117. And this is a appreciation gift for teachers and retirement and things like that. Then my fifth bestseller for the month, I sold 30 units, making $97, and this is actually a blank recipe cookbook. So they're the top 5 niches which I sold for the month of August. So now let's actually go back up to the top and then go over to my ads account. So give that a second to load up. There we go. So over the last couple of months, I haven't really been running many ads. I've still been running ads, but not that much. So now Q4 is literally just round the corner. I've started to ramp up my ads and started running ads on all my best-selling books from last Q4 as well. And all in all, just started to spend more money. Anyway, let's take a look at this. So for the month of August, if we go here, so that's July, August. So I spent $301.72. And then if we go over to my amazon.co.uk advertising account, we can see just here that I actually stopped running ads in June here in the UK because I just want to focus more on the US as they get so much traffic. So nothing spent here in the UK, and that $301, if that's going to show us. Come on. So $301 spent here. Not here, spent in the US, $301.72. So let's go back over to here. Let's get up that calculator. Give that a second. So I'm telling you, everything on my laptop is super slow today, and I can't hardly do any work. Maybe time for an upgrade. So come on, calculator, hurry up. I'm just going to pause the video. There we go. So let's take this 1,000. It's going to let me. So 1271.95. Take away that 301.72. So calculator again. 301.72. Now, you probably could have done that in your head, but I'm not very good at maths, so that's why I use the calculator. So let's go back over to here, pull up that again, pull that to here, out the way, equals $970 in profit. So I'm still really happy with this. I would have liked it to be over 1,000. Because that is mostly my goal, to always be hitting over $1,000. It's going to get even more crazier now because Q4 starts next month, but $970, I'm extremely happy with this. Considering everything that's going on in the world, I still am really happy with this income. So $970 in royalties, or in profit, because we've taken away that ad spend. Now, I'd love to know how well you did for the month of August. So if you want to tell us as well, you can leave a comment down below. And if you don't want to say anything, don't worry, it doesn't matter. Now, also, I just want to check in with you and see if you've started preparing for Q4, because we're now in September. At the time of recording this, it's the 1st of September, which means October's next month, which means Q4 officially starts. So if you don't know what Q4 is, it's the last 3 months of the year. Every year is broken up into 4 quarters, and quarter 4 is where most people make a lot of money, because those Christmas sales and coming up to Christmas, all those sales start coming in and you can start making a killing. So if you haven't started preparing for Q4, I highly suggest doing it now. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.